Hello. So hopefully you have a mug. Um, Go back and forth in the video as needed and pay attention to the details if you've had trouble. Okay, so this mug would look a little bit more realistic if it didn't have super sharp corners. And that's where beveling comes in. So the bevel, it's actually called the fillet. I call it bevel all the time. Anyway. So we're going to take the fillet tool. The fillet tool basically has you choose an edge, and then it's got a blue arrow, and you can push that in and out. Now you have to be careful because it moves a lot. Like if I beveled it this much, it would look pretty funny. We're going to bevel it on the in and the out. So you can see as I move this, you can see that it's been changing over here. I'm not sure how much tangent and curvature make a difference. In our case, I think it matters when you're doing something else. So we're going to keep this bevel here. It makes the mug look much nicer. And I'm going to click OK. And then you can also, so before I clicked bevel the first time, you can also click an edge first and then click bevel, and then it knows you want to do that edge. So again, look how crazy that happened when I clicked fillet here. Let me try to click on 5 and see what that does. 5 makes it look nice. I think it's a little more controllable if you go to curvature. Maybe we can't, so let's go back to tangent. And we'll keep the edge at 5 and it looks nice, so we'll click OK. We're also going to do this bottom edge and go to fillet. There's another thing here I've been ignoring. There's a rolling ball and a setback. Let me put 5 in here so we can see what the difference is. I'll probably want to view that a little bit. So a setback, I think, is less of a curvature. It's more, you can see, it's more of a straight, like a flatter edge, maybe. So I want to see what, I'm going to push this in and see what 10 looks like. I kind of like 10 better. Let's see if the curvature works. And I like the curvature a little bit better too. But, you know, I don't mind what you use. I certainly think it's fine. Whoops, I've lost everything. To play with these, I'm going to go back to chord length and push that into 10. I prefer the rolling ball, and click OK, and you can see it's definitely a nicer looking mug. So again, you're going to be snipping this. So I am going to go to new when I click the snipping tool. And again, when you snip it, I definitely want your name showing. And I want to see the bodies folder open. And this was a pretty good view because I can see that I've put the fillets in. Okay, so good luck with that. And I'll see you